Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik. In this video, I am going to explain about the comprehension, or you will tell unseen passages. So students, those who are preparing for the Navodaya entrance exams, and in future also next year, those who are preparing for the Sainik school exams, and not only these exams, for all the competitive exams, they will ask this comprehension or unseen passages. This is very important. Just they will want to check your ability, means how you are going to understand that. Students, comprehension means it is ability to understanding, how you understood. Depend upon that it will work. Okay students, now in this video I'll explain you about the passage. How actually this is very important. So watch complete video, because in this total how many marks are there, and how we have to prepare for that, and how we are going to read, and how we have to answer all these questions. I will answer now. Students, now let's see about the comprehension or unseen passages we will tell. Comprehension means, students, we have to understand. The ability of understanding is called comprehension. Unseen passages means they will give any one paragraph. Okay, they will give one passage. We have to read and we have to understand. After that, we have to answer the questions. Okay. For Navodaya, especially for Navodaya students, the total number of passages they will give 4. So first, let me introduce this one. They will give 4 passages in the Navodaya entrance exams. Students, now total number of questions. How many questions they will ask for each passage? For one passage they will ask 5, means for 5 passages, total 4 passages. For each passage they will ask 5 questions. So 5 into 4 you can tell. So 20 questions they will ask in Navodaya. So serial number of the questions, it is 61 to 80 in Navodaya entrance exams. Question number 61 to 80, these will be the passages, and each question carries 1.25 marks, and the total mass is 25. Total 4 passages, and total questions 20 questions, and serial number is 61 to 80, and each question carries 1.25 marks, and total marks 25. Now some students they will only concentrate on mathematics, because mathematics is a difficult subject. But here, if you concentrate this comprehension, you will get 25 marks, because it is very simple. Just I am going to introduce the tricks, just understand the tricks, and so that you can be successful in the passages. So students, let's see here. To understand the passage, to understand the comprehension, we have to follow steps. Some steps you have to follow. Okay, students. Now, before going to read the passage, first you are going to read the instructions whatever they have given there. After that, first don't read the passage. So first step we have to follow is, we should not read the passage first. Before that, before going to start the passage, just read the questions. What questions they have given. Just glance. Read the questions. After that, go to the passage and read the passage carefully. Second step is we have to read the passage carefully. So then we have to understand the passage English to English. See here, sometimes you will do mistake here. You will try to understand that meanings in Kannada also. Okay, and phrases, meanings that you will not need to understand in mother tongue. So which language they are given, no, that language only we have to understand. Means we have to understand the passage English to English. So we should not memorize the passage. So next step is, this is very important. Don't do this mistake, because we should not do the memorization method here. We should not memorize the passage. Understood? Because if you are going to memorize that, again your time will goes. So it is a waste of time. For finding the main idea of the passage, you can read the first and last paragraph carefully. Sometimes they will give what is the idea of that passage. To find that idea of that passage, you can read that first and last paragraph carefully. And with this, one more thing is there. We should not memorize, and we have to, main concept is we have to understand what they want to tell. Means what is their concept, we have to Understand? Okay, students. Now let's think some more ideas regarding this one. So in this steps, last step is we have to improve your reading speed, because they will give you 4 passages. If your reading skill is slow, if your reading is slow, then it will kill your time. So it will waste your time. So we have to improve your reading speed. You have to improve your reading speed. Okay, students. Now let's think about what type of questions they are asking and how we are going to answer. So let's think about that. So let's see here. After reading the passage, I told you how to read and what are the points to remember while reading. Okay. After this, what type of questions they are going to ask? See here. First they will give simple interrogative questions, common questions. Already you know that. Who is the father of the king, and where is the Taj Mahal located? Like this means interrogative questions. That type of question they will ask, and they may ask the meaning of that words or opposite or rhyming words or homophones also. Means they will give one word from the passage and they will give what is the meaning of this one. Antonyms, synonyms you have to practice, and rhyming words also and homophones also. This type you have to practice. And next one is the meaning of the phrases. Sometimes they will give some phrases in the passages and they will give that in the passage what is the meaning of this phrase. That type of question they will ask, and at the end they may ask the title, which is the suitable title for this passage. They will not give, because they will give just passage 1, passage 2 like this. You have to ask, you have to answer which is the suitable title for that. You have to name, and while giving this title, while giving this title of this passage, we have to keep in that mind about the passage only. You should not think you in the point of your view, and you should not answer. You have to think, you have to read that passage properly, then you have to answer. Okay, students, like these questions they are going to ask. So we should be prepared for all this, and we have to increase our speed of the reading also. Okay, students, in the next video, I will take one example of the passage, and I will explain that passage, and what type of questions they will ask, and how we can going to answer by these points. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this one. If you understood this, just comment me and hit the like button. Thank you.